Hello all and happy fall! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AJ and I post new videos every Thursday about baking and lifestyle. With fall comes a new season for decorating. I love to get my seasonal decorations from the Dollar Tree because it's an inexpensive way to keep up with the latest decor trends. Also, it's just really fun to go and shop for new stuff every year. Don't get me wrong, I keep all the stuff I've bought from previous years. I just get excessively more decorative as time progresses. This year, Dollar Tree has a ton of what I call Falloween decorations, aka decorations that work for both fall and Halloween. I took you into my local Dollar Tree, actually a couple of them because I'm obsessive and went to several. And I'm going to show you a couple of different clips from the store and point out some of my favorite decorations while we're there. Now that we are home again, I'm going to show you a couple of the pieces that I picked up this year to decorate my house for Falloween. First things first, we have this little velvet pumpkin, and it is so cute. This completely caught my eye. I was actually walking the opposite direction, and I had turned back to look if my boyfriend was behind me, and I saw this pumpkin, and I went running past him to go get it. I just think it is so cute, very fall. Also obviously works for Halloween. It's a pumpkin. It's velvet, and I love the texture. So, my beautiful pink pumpkin. We had to take a brief intermission and unfortunately Frankie found it. So it's going to need some repair. Still adorable. Still will feature prominently in my fall decor. But now you see why I buy my decorations from the Dollar Tree. Pro tip for anyone that has kids or pets. Get your decorations from somewhere inexpensive so that you're not completely heartbroken if they get chewed on. Anyway, moving on to the next thing I got at the Dollar Tree for our Halloween decorations. Next up we have a Halloween towel. I love getting seasonal towels from the Dollar Tree because they are actually decent quality. They're kind of on the thinner side, but they've got a nice material. It's a microfiber material. I love using seasonal towels from the Dollar Tree in my kitchen because I don't have to worry about a nice towel getting messed up, and it adds a nice little touch of decoration to an area that usually doesn't get a ton of decorations. Another great thing you can do with these is they're not limited just to the kitchen. You can also use them in bathrooms, or honestly, they could even probably be a cute little table decoration if you wanted to put other things on them in a living room. This next Falloween decoration is perhaps controversially a decoration. And this is a little tube of candy corn with a pumpkin on top. Look how cute this little jack-o'-lantern is. Isn't he adorable? I thought this was really fun if you peel the sticker off. This is a cute way to display some candy corn for the season. I know a lot of people don't like the taste of candy corn. I love it. But if you don't, it's still a cute decoration. Next, we have another fall piece for our Falloween decor, and that is this little owl. If you follow me over on Instagram, you already know that I'm completely obsessed with owls, but if you didn't know already, now you know. I have a lot of owl decor everywhere in my house, and I like getting seasonal owls to go with their year-round owl friends. I saw this little owl scarecrow, and I could not help myself. I thought he was so cute. He's got a whole bunch of different materials, which I think makes him look very high quality. I can't wait to have him out on my shelves for fall and through Halloween, and honestly even November. I think he is adorable, and he's gonna make a very welcome owl addition to my owl family. Next up in the Falloween decor, we actually have a Dia de los Muertos candle. And I just loved this candle. I love the face, I love all of the colors. I think the decorations are beautiful on this. I am also obviously a very big candle fan, hence the candle in my background. I love having candles burning, and this one is just so cute and very festive. Another nice thing, if you are sensitive to scents, this one is not scented. Next up, and you can probably hear this one coming, this little bell door hanger. I love having bells on my door. I think bells sound really pretty, and I really love the colors of this one. It's got a cute little orange and brown bow, and then brown, gold, and green little bells. And I'm gonna hang this probably on our bathroom door, just because that is something I can see from my desk, and I like to be able to look at my decorations. This would be especially fun for a kid's room or even a front door, and it adds just a little bit of auditory celebration to your fall decor. Speaking of door decor, next up we have this little cat felt door hanger. I think that this is possibly the cutest door hanger I have seen for Halloween. I love it. I think it's so cute. The little black cat, the little pumpkin, I think it's adorable. It does come with a little hanger, so you can just stick it on a command hook on your front door and you are done and decorated. And because this is felt, it's very lightweight. It's not going to cause any damage. So this is something you can use to decorate like a dorm room or a rental apartment, and you don't have to worry about it pulling anything off the wall. And finally, we have this little bucket. It does say give thanks, which obviously gives it a more Thanksgiving feel, but I honestly think you could use this any time of year during the fall. Also, if you just sort of turn it to the side, all you really see is this pretty pattern. But I love the little pumpkin. It's a nice tin bucket. It's a decent size. I'm probably going to use this to hold either some flowers or possibly some fall candy. And I think this is just a fun way to keep everything out and displayed. So there you have it, Falloween decor from the Dollar Tree. I took you inside my store and showed you my personal purchases. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Leave a comment down below. Which decoration is your favorite? Hi.
Hello. I'm interrupting your shoot.
You are.
I'm here to cause chaos. Hi, tripod. And I have to cut now, sorry.
Yes, it's okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Gratitude smells amazing.
Thank you. Don't. Puppies, careful.
Bulbous. Bulbous. Sleeping Bulbous.